Hi everyone. Are you a student new to Google Classroom and you are wondering how to turn in your classwork to your teacher in Google Classroom? Well, then this video is just the one for you. So let's get started. The first thing you will do is go to your classroom page, and here in this home page you will see the stream link, the classwork link, and the people link. So we're going to be focusing on either the stream or the classwork. For today's purpose and for turning in assignments, we're going to be dealing with this one mostly. On the stream page, also your classwork will appear. So you can click here and enter it by that manner as well. You can also click here and you can go to your classwork, click on it. You can view assignment and you get a lot of options that come up here on this right hand side. We can say got it because that's they're just letting us know that you can have private leave a private comment with your teacher, and the whole class doesn't have to see it. Also, if you leave a comment here, the whole class can see it. So whatever choice works for you, you can either leave your comment here or leave your comment here. Either way, your teacher will definitely see it. Also, the teacher's direction is right here. It says complete the graphic organizer in the attachment. The grade is here. It's worth 100 points. So I recommend you turn it in. And the next thing you are going to do is you are going to click on the teacher's document that she left for you to work on, which is this one. Once that document opens, you are ready to work on it. You can then work on this document. For the purpose of this video and for time-saving purposes, we're going to pretend that we already finished it. So let's say that you already worked on this document, you are finished, you are now ready to turn it in. Let's go back to the classwork page, and we have to do nothing else. If you have no other additional documents or anything else attached with your teacher's classwork page, then you're ready to just turn it in. You finish the document that she gave you. You just have to now click this button right here. And once you do that, it gives you the option, and it asks you again if you're ready to turn it in or if you're ready to cancel. So let's turn it in. And right away, once you turn it in, it gives you the option to unsubmit. You can select unsubmit and click it again, and it will unsubmit the assignment for you. You can go back in, make any changes or edit the document, and then you can add additional documents if you need to. If not, simply just turn it in again. And again, as you click turn it in, it basically gives you the option to finalize it. You turn it in, and it's now in your teacher's hands. At that point, if you want to leave a message for your teacher saying, hello, I finished my work, please check it out, you can do that. You can leave any message you want for your teacher. This will be only seen by your teacher right here in this private comment section. And here in this section, it will be seen by your whole class. So whatever works for you, you can leave the messages either way. And this is the way to turn in your assignment right here. You have the option to turn it in. You have the option to unsubmit and edit your document. Once you send it to your teacher, you cannot edit that document unless the teacher returns it to you. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.